So crypto's just crashing, guys. I'm gonna talk about Jasmy today, and a positive thing that you probably haven't noticed about Jasmy, and we'll get into it in a second. Right now, Jasmy trades just above 2 cents, okay, 2 pennies. This has been a crazy ride. We first bought in at 0.005, 0.006. We rode it all the way up to 3.9, sold a little bit, and I've obviously been trading in and out of Jasmy over the last several months, to be honest with you, but I also bought more recently. And I'm not buying any more yet. I've been very honest with you guys on when I plan to buy more. And I've told you my price targets of where really I think this can go this cycle. It really depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum though, and the overall crypto market and RSI stochastic, everything that we talk about. But in today's video, it's just another day, right? And we gotta look at what are the positive things that are going on with Jasmy. So we're gonna get right into that. Just drop a like, I would always ask that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all my own opinion, and you should do your own research at the end of the day. But here is the positive thing, guys, and then I'm gonna show you Bitcoin, and we're gonna talk a little bit about what that's looking like right now. The positive thing is, I made a video talking about, we were at resistance a couple days ago, but it looks like this was a higher high from this point. So you can see that we are making slightly higher highs. This is very strong resistance as of right now, what's acting for Jasmy. So we need to obviously break above this. I have a price target of this range very soon. This is based off Fibonacci and really the next area that I think Jasmy can go. You can also see that we're still in an uptrend looking at this right here. So we're making lower highs as of right now. So this will tell a lot. Obviously we don't want to break this because then we could go much lower. And then that will confirm the ABC correction. I do think we're still in wave 2 of 5. So we talk about Elliott wave on this channel. And we've already completed wave 1. I walked you guys through that. I think I have a video on my YouTube. If you want to search Elliott wave on my YouTube, you could see exactly, I walk you through what Jasmy is probably going to do next. We do the ABC correction, which is wave 2 of 5. And the ABC correction could have finished here. This could be the C wave, but also it could go lower. Still, I'm not going to leave that off the table. It definitely can go lower depending what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin, I think it got under 63,000 today, which is really not the best, but time will tell, right? So I'm chilling out, I'm being patient. I still feel bullish about crypto in the long run. This is just another day, right? So again, buying opportunity possibly for you if you're looking at Jasmy, you understand their use case and really what they bring to the table. The tokenomics are absolutely amazing. We'll go over that in a little bit. But first, let's look at the total crypto market cap and what Bitcoin is doing right now. So looking at the total crypto market cap at 2.16 trillion, guys, that is crazy. We are super low right now. We're almost under a $2 trillion market cap. Volume on the day is right here. Dominance for Bitcoin is still very high, over 56%. And the fear and greed index has obviously gotten back to the yellow. I think the reason this is because crypto has had a rally. We've called a lot of cryptos. Again, if you want access to more information, more details on this, Patreon down below. We just called FET at 84 cents. I made a post that was over 60% at some point yesterday or 2 days ago. So people made over 50 to 60% on that call out. I call a lot of different cryptos and stocks. Again, if you want to join, private Discord, great community, links are down below. But this right here, the reason I think we're back here is because we had a massive rally, but now we're pulling back. You can see Bitcoin is actually under 62,000, which is absolutely insane, right? So there's a lot of bears, I will say, on social media and on X, if some of you are on Twitter, that are saying this is going down to 44,000 to worst case 38,000, and then the cycle's going to move much higher. The question you gotta ask yourself, guys, is if that happens, are you mentally going to be okay? Okay, if you think, okay, maybe this go down to 44,000 or 38,000, but at the end of the day, I still think Bitcoin will be over 100,000, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell now and then buy back in later if that does happen? Are you gonna hold through the pain that may come in the coming weeks? Or are you gonna buy more if that happens? What is your plan? Let me know down below. Because I'll tell you this, my belief, again, this is my opinion, if Bitcoin crashes down, and if these people are right, then we're going to 44, 38,000. The reason they said that, guys, is that's a Fibonacci retracement zone, okay? If that happens, Jasmy will crash, okay? Jasmy will probably go to the 1112 area. As of right now, though, I'm not saying that's going to happen, okay? All I'm saying is you have to be mentally okay if that does happen, and you have to know what are your take profit zones. This is why I'm not giving you a $2, $3, $4 price target. I'm not saying Jasmy's gonna go back to $4.99 because no one knows. We're in August. We have a lot of time. Usually crypto gets very exciting towards the end of the year, like September, late September, October, November. This is when I would get very excited for crypto, and I'd probably start taking some profit. Obviously, we use a lot of other indicators that's gonna tell us when to sell, but this is kind of what I'm looking at right now. Now, I also saw this post, 9 trillion BlackRock just bought their Bitcoin ETF for its own portfolio. Here we go. So inflows keep happening for Bitcoin, and you just got to decide what's best for you. Appreciate you all. Drop a like, and we'll see you on the next one.